In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export blog posts from one site and import them into another WordPress site. This is a simple process, and it's especially useful if you're moving content between websites, setting up a new version of an existing site, or just transferring blog posts without rebuilding everything manually. We'll be working inside the import and export area of both sites, and the key file you'll use is an exported XML file. First, on the source site, open your settings area. From there, go into Advanced, then find Import Export. Once you're on that page, click Export. This will generate the export file you need from the original site. Depending on the site and the amount of content, this may take a moment, so give it time to complete. When it's finished, save the XML file somewhere easy to find because you'll need that exact file in the next part of the process. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the export file has downloaded successfully. Keeping it in a clearly labeled folder can help avoid confusion, especially if you're working with multiple site files. The XML file contains the content structure needed to move your post over correctly, so make sure you don't rename or alter it unnecessarily. Next, switch over to the target site, which is the site where you want the blog post to appear. Again, go to Settings, then Advanced, and then Import/Export. This time, click Import. You'll be prompted to choose the content type you want to bring in. Select WordPress, since you're importing blog content from a WordPress export. After that, upload the exported XML file from the source site. Once the file is selected, continue with the import so the target site can process the content. This step is what populates the blog post on the new site. If the file is large, the import may take a little time, so be patient and let it finish completely before navigating away. When the import is done, check the blog section on the target site to confirm that the posts have appeared as expected. This is a good moment to review formatting, categories, and any media references